In this video, we will be integrating WooCommerce and Pabbly email marketing together so that whenever there is a new sale or new order inside WooCommerce, the lead data will automatically be inserted inside your Pabbly email marketing account as a new subscriber. So the first step that you have to do is to go inside settings and then click on the advanced tab. Once you are inside the advanced tab, click on webhooks. Now we will be setting out our first webhook so that we can capture the data and activities that are happening inside WooCommerce. So the first webhook that I'm going to create is a new order created. Okay, I'm pasting the status as active, and the topic that I'm going to select would be order created. Okay, so this means whenever a new order is created inside WooCommerce, we will be capturing that data inside a delivery URL. Now this delivery URL would be something that you will be getting through a different process. So I will be showing you how you can get a delivery URL. So as of now, I'm logged in inside my Pabbly email marketing account. Now what you have to do is you have to go to accounts.pabbly.com. Once you are inside accounts.pabbly.com dashboard, you will be seeing bunch of applications right here. The one application that we are concerned here would be the Connect application, and you have to click on Access Now button. We will be using our integration application, which is Pabbly Connect, to integrate WooCommerce and Pabbly email marketing together. So the first workflow that I'm going to create is I'm just going to click on Create New Workflow, and I'm saying WooCommerce to Pabbly email marketing. So I'm just writing WooCommerce to PEM, and I'm just saving the workflow. This is an automation workflow which will help us to transfer our leads from WooCommerce to Pabbly email marketing whenever there is a new sale that is happening inside WooCommerce. So we just got a webhook URL. Inside this apps, choose webhook, and you will be getting a webhook URL. You just have to copy this webhook URL because we will be getting data to this URL whenever there is a new sale that happens inside WooCommerce. So I'm just copying this URL. I'm going back to the WooCommerce setting, and I'm just pasting the delivery URL right here. Inside this secret box, I'm just leaving it blank, and I'm just saving this webhook. As you can see, our new order created webhook has been created with the delivery URL of this, and a secret key has been automatically generated for us. The API version for this webhook is WP REST API integration v3. Okay, so this means our entire integration between WooCommerce and Pabbly Connect is now done, and we are ready to capture new activities that are happening inside WooCommerce. So now what we will be doing is we will be clicking on Capture Webhook Response. So this will start to look out for any response that comes to this URL whenever there is an activity that happens inside WooCommerce. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going back to the WooCommerce panel, and I'm just doing a test purchase through my account. So I just opened an all products right here, and one of the product that is already created is Nike Store 7, and I'm just opening this product right here. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is, since I'm already logged in inside my account, I'm going to do a test purchase through an account which is not logged in. So you can actually see the entire behavior. So I'm just copying this URL. I'm just closing this window, and I'm opening a new incognito window. Okay. I'm opening an incognito window so that there would be no cookie or no data or no login will be stored at this point of time. So you can see that Nike Shoes 7 is right here. So I'm just clicking on Add to Cart button. As soon as I do that, my entire cart has been added, and I'm just clicking on View Cart button. Okay. Once I did that, I'm just clicking on Proceed to Checkout. So when I am proceeding to checkout, you can see the first name and last name is already populated right here. So I'm just going to leave it right here as it is. Inside this email address, I'm just going to write a new email address. It would be admin@pabbly.com. So this is a new email address that we really want to, who is really willing to purchase this Nike shoe, and I'm just writing the name of Pabbly Connect. Okay, so this is just a test name that I'm using to purchase this product. Okay, if the customer want, he can also create an account, but otherwise he will just place an order. To make sure that we can check out the entire order workflow, I'm just using the cash on delivery option. That way we don't have to do a real payment, but we can actually test out the entire process. So I'm just clicking on place order now button, and you can see order has been received. The order number of 342 has been successfully created. Okay, once I'm doing that, I'll just click cancel this button, and I'm just going back to the Pabbly Connect window. We will just wait for about 30-40 seconds. As of now, you can see that it is waiting for a new webhook response to come. As you can see, the webhook response has appeared right here. And you can see all the details like the order ID, which is mentioned right here. And you can basically scroll down and you can basically see the email address of this person, which was billing email, which is admin@pabbly.com. And if you move down, you will even find the first name and the last name of this person. It says the first name as Pabbly and the last name as Connect. Okay, the email address is right here, and the first name and last name is also right here. So what I'm going to do now is I'm scrolling all the way down, and I'm just clicking this plus button. We are actually creating a workflow. So what I will do is I will just choose an app from here, which will be Pabbly Email Marketing. Okay. And we really want to add new subscribers. So I will just choose the method as add subscribers. Then we will click on connect button because we want to connect our Pabbly email marketing account. Okay. Once I did that, click that button, you can see that you have to enter a bearer token from your Pabbly email marketing account under integrations developers API. So I will just click my account link right here. I will be going inside integrations, and into the developer API, I can find my API key. So I'm just copying this API key and I'm pasting this API key right here. Okay. And I'm just pressing the save button. As you can see, it automatically fetched all the list from my account. If you go back to my Pabbly email marketing account under subscribers, you will find that WooCommerce customers email list is right here. And you can see there are no subscribers yet. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to say that I want to add subscriber to my WooCommerce customers list. This will be a single subscriber. So I'm just choosing single because we will be adding emails one by one. And inside the email address, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on map button. This is the response that we received earlier in the last webhook response or above. And we will be selecting the relevant key here. So we want the data admin@pabbly.com to be populated. So I'm just selecting billing email admin@pabbly.com. It will not pick the key right here, but it will pick up the value and it will automatically insert the value right here. Okay. Inside this name, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on map button again, and I will be adding my first name right here. Okay. If you want the last name as well, you can press a space key and then you can map the last name as well, which will be Connect. So automatically it will get the first name and the last name and the email address in real time for any future order transactions as well. So I'm just clicking the save button right here. And just to make sure that our integration is working, I'm just doing a test request right here. I just sent a test request. It has been successfully executed, and you can see the message as success, which means our email list must have been updated. You can see 0 right here, but I'm just clicking this link again, and you can see one email address with the email of admin@pabbly.com and the name of Pabbly Connect is appearing right here. Okay, so this means our integration is properly done. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to save this entire workflow, and you can just close out this window now. You can see WooCommerce to PEM. The first step is to capture the webhook, and the second step is to send the data to Pabbly email marketing through this action step. Okay, this entire workflow can be saved, and this entire workflow once saved the window can be closed by clicking this button. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do a test purchase again. Okay, so I'm just going back to my account right here, to the incognito window right here. I'm just clicking on my blog. I'm selecting pay2vault/WP1. This is the website on which all the products are there. So I'm just opening the incognito window again so that we can see the workflow all over right here. Okay, I am just clicking on all products, and this time I'm just purchasing Nike shoes 4. I'm just clicking on add to cart, view cart. In fact, 2 quantity has been added, so I'm just updating my cart with 1 quantity. I'm clicking on proceed to checkout, and I am filling the data here, which says Neeraj Agrawal, personal, and here goes my zip code, my phone number, and my email address, which is me.raga@gmail.com. If you want, you can also set up an account, and I'm just placing the order right here, and the order number is 343. So I'm just closing out this window because this order is completed. We will wait for about 1-2 minutes because this entire workflow will be executed in just about 1-2 minutes. And once we wait for that, we will just click this button or reload this button, and you will see the lead data will be appearing right here in just a few minutes time. So I will be waiting for just about 20-30 seconds right here. So I'm now doing a page reload again to see if the data has arrived, and you can basically see that WooCommerce customers has been added successfully. You can see the new email address and the name of this customer appearing right here. So this completes my entire tutorial on how to integrate WooCommerce with Pabbly email marketing. And if you really use Pabbly Connect, you can basically transfer your leads directly to Pabbly email marketing in real time. Now the scenario that I explained to you before, the webhook that we actually created webhook for orders. But if you really want to add just about every customer who does not really become your who does not really complete the payment, you can still create webhook for all different type of data like customer created, order created, and all those kind of things. So I hope you found this video useful. Just in case if you have any questions, you can reach out to our support team. Our support email is admin@pabbly.com. Thank you.